name is Ousman Nauffer. I am the Cannabis Production Mechanism Technology Instructor, along with Cannabis Production Mechanism Practical Training that is being offered by NACPT Pharmaceutical. To give you a brief background about myself, I have been involved in the cannabis industry for over a decade. I started out as a medical patient, and I have since worked my way through in the industry with the experience that I've gained into having my own micro cultivation application with Health Canada. To give you a brief summary of the program that is being provided by NACPT, there are two diploma programs that is specifically catered towards the cannabis industry. One is the Cannabis Quality Control Quality Assurance Program, and then the other program is Cannabis Industrial Production Technology. As part of that program, my criterion is to lecture on how cannabis production mechanism is conducted in a commercial environment, as far as how the course is catered towards the industry is concerned. We do provide the basics, fundamentals of growing cannabis from throughout the complete stages of the plant's life cycle. And then we also do provide information and education about how one would want to get involved in a commercial level and to scale up things accordingly as required. The other benefit out of this program is we do offer a combination of other programs related to GPP, GMP, quality assurance, facility security, facility management, cannabis regulations, cannabis plant science, cannabis plant biotechnology, and various other courses that would be part of the diploma program itself. The course that I teach is pretty thorough. It is catered towards any novice grower and towards any experienced grower. There is no one size fits all. We do address every student's needs based on their level of expertise. And our main intention is to bridge the gap between a novice grower and an experienced grower, and to make sure that they gain the skills that are required for them to venture out into the industry. As far as who should attend to this program, it could be anybody who is interested in getting involved as an employee in the industry with any LPs, or for anyone that is seeking to apply for a license themselves. These courses and the programs offered here can be very beneficial in getting to that goal. So as far as job prospects are concerned, like I mentioned before, it depends on what area of expertise a person wants to get involved in as far as the job is concerned. It could be for your personal needs that you're planning on cultivating cannabis for medical purposes. It could be for commercial needs, and if that is the case, then as far as job opportunities are concerned, based on the two diploma programs offered, job opportunities are not limited to just a master grower, but we also have job opportunities that can be filled out to assistant master growers, quality assurance person, responsible person, head of security. All of these positions can be fulfilled utilizing the diploma program currently being offered at NACPT Pharma College. And overall, generally speaking, if you don't have the experience, even though after gaining the education that you've gotten from the school, you can start at a assistant master grower level, or as an assistant quality assurance person, or as an assistant for a responsible person, or a head of security, and you can work your way up. The program is pretty thorough and covers all parts of the cannabis licensing application guide, and it also gives a broad perspective as to how a commercial facility is operated in the years to come and current. So that is my little advice on how the programs and courses are conducted over in NACPT Pharma College. For additional information, you can contact nacptpharmacollege.com, and you can contact us via email, phone, or Instagram, whatever social media methods that you would like to get in contact with. Thank you for your time, and enjoy your day.